Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you once again with Sayyid Kashif Mahmood. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about the structure of bacteria. This lecture will only be an overview of the structure of bacteria. In next videos, we will go to the minute detail of the structure which I have written on the whiteboard. Before talking about these structures, let's understand the difference between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. Let me take the eukaryotic cell the first, because eukaryotic cell is very big, so he cannot weigh too much. So that's why we will discuss about the eukaryotic cell as the first. Eukaryotic cell are that cell which have a true nucleus. It means the genetic material which are there in the eukaryotic cell will be enclosed in double membrane called nuclear membrane. On the other hand, if we look to the prokaryotes, so the prokaryotes contain prokaryotic cell, and if we go inside that, so they have no true nucleus. It means their genetic material are not enclosed by nuclear membrane. So this is one of the biggest difference, that the eukaryotic cells having a true nucleus, while the prokaryotic cells have no true nucleus. Let's discuss another difference between these two cells, and that is that the eukaryotic cells contain membrane bounded organelles like mitochondria, like Golgi complex, like endoplasmic reticulum, etc. On the other hand, the prokaryotic cells don't have those organelles. Why I have discussed the prokaryotic cell before discussing the structure of bacteria? The reason is that bacteria is a prokaryote. It have a prokaryotic cell. Now let's come to an overview of bacterial structure. So we can learn this with this trick: their structure external to cell wall. So in this we have flagella, glycocalyx, pili and fimbriae. We will discuss about the structure of flagella, that it having basal body, it having hook, it having filament, and we will also discuss about the types of on the basis of numbers, and we will also discuss about the function of flagella, what the flagella doing for the bacteria. Secondly, we will also discuss about the glycocalyx, and we'll also deal with the capsule and slime layer, which coming under this topic, glycocalyx. Third, we will also discuss about the pili. In modern research, the pili and fimbriae, the fimbriae coming inside the pili. But I have written this separately so that you think that in this lecture we also discussing about this fimbriae. So in this pili, we will discuss about what is the role of pili in the bacteria, and we'll also touch this fimbriae. Then when we finish these structures which are external to cell wall, then we will reach to this cell wall, and in cell wall we will see the structure of cell wall, what is the role of cell wall, and we will also discuss about the drugs which affecting the cell wall. After talking about the cell wall, we will go into inside structure of the cell wall. I have written this structures internal to cell wall. So we are going like this. We reach this cell wall, and after this cell wall we will proceed and we'll see what are there inside the cell wall. So the first one is cell membrane. We will discuss the structure of cell membrane, and we will also discuss the drugs which affecting the cell membrane. Then we will proceed to ribosome, and if we analyze, ribosome is also there in the eukaryotic cell, but the eukaryotic cell ribosome is 80S, while the ribosome which are here in the bacterial cell, that is 70S. It is small than that of eukaryotic cell. So we will see what the ribosome is doing for the bacterial cell. We will also discuss about the structure of ribosome. After that we will proceed to nucleate, the genetic material of bacterial cell, and at the last we will also discuss about cell inclusion. So these are an overview of the bacterial structure, and with this we will also deal with outer membrane which is present in gram-negative bacteria. We will also discuss about the endospores. We will also discuss about the staining, and we will go to minute details of all these which I have just talked in front of you. So thanks a lot for watching this, and I hope we will meet in next videos. Assalamu alaikum.